Seeing empty or blank contacts on your iPhone? Let me show you how to delete them quickly. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. You can also access contacts from the phone app. Find the empty contact you want to remove. Tap and hold on the contact. Now, tap Delete Contact, then Confirm. That empty contact is gone. To delete multiple empty contacts, use 2 fingers and drag down to select multiple contacts. Once selected, tap Delete and Confirm. If a contact has info you want to keep, copy it before deleting. This helps keep your contact list clean and organized. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.